मेरी सारी हीरोइन मेरी देखभाल करती हैं, तो जो खाना उनके लिए आता है वो एक डब्बा एक्स्ट्रा आ जाता है। मैं पॉटलक में सिर्फ लक लेके आता हूँ, बाकी सब पॉट ले आते हैं।
મારી દાદી ગુજરાતી હતા. Homemade થેપલા, some nice છુંદો, કડા પ્રસાદ, which is like halwa, some undhyo, peanut masala.
Yeah. This is home cooked, I'm telling you.
Saffron jeera rice. Friend of mine made some shahi chicken korma.
I've got some ras malai, which is from our restaurant Imli.
My father said one thing very clearly to me. तेरे घर का राजा तू. तेरा एक बेडरूम का घर हो या तेरे 2 बेडरूम का घर हो, you have to live in your means. fucking size. मैं अपनी औकात में रहता हूँ.
शादी करोगे या गाड़ी खरीदोगे तो अपने औकात से कम खरीदना, घर खरीदोगे तो अपने औकात से बढ़ कर लेना।
बट यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में नहीं होता.
अगर मुझे कोई चीज समझ में आ जाती ना, विदेश चला जाता हूँ, दुकानदार हमको ऐसा देखते कि यार तेरी औकात की तो चीज है नहीं, तो उसको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए ना मैं 3 ले लेता हूँ। चल 3 दे दे।
What's the most expensive thing you all have bought?
Oh, I already answered that. It became a big controversy. I bought a yacht. The news came out like I'm owning a 75-foot luxury yacht in the middle of the Caribbean. I enjoyed that a lot. I am not at all ashamed about it.
That is so cool.
This is called the Kolkata egg roll. प्याज जो पतले पतले कटे हैं, मैरिनेट कीजिए नींबू डालकर और थोड़ा सा नमक, पराठा बनाइए, अंडा तोड़ के और फिर उसमें, माफ कीजिएगा मेरे मुंह से पानी आ रहा है।
पॉटलक कितना इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है ना। अरे वही जो हमारी मम्मियाँ किया करती थी अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ। हर कोई अपने घर से एक एक डिश लेकर आता है और साथ बैठकर मिल बैठकर खाना खाते हैं। एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू एज 3 talented Bollywood actors are going to share their dabbas with me. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch, I'm going to be enjoying a potluck meal with the cast of Hisab Barabar, R. Madhavan, Kirti Kulhari and Neil Nitin Mukesh. Let's go.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to Curly Tales.
Thank you so much.
आज हिसाब बराबर हुआ, सब अपने अपने घर से डब्बा लेकर आए हैं.
Except for Maddie.
हाँ मैं दुबई से लेके आया हूँ, थोड़ा बासी हो गया।
But you know this is something जो हम लोग ऑफिस में करते हैं. मेरे को सब लंच साथ में खाते हैं. But this is something that you guys do on the sets while shooting.
I do.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I really enjoy
I
it.
get खाना from home and my team and even people outside. अगर ज़्यादा है तो और ज़्यादा लोग आ जाते हैं.
Even if I'm traveling and there's some local delicacy, I like to order it for the entire unit.
At your cost or the producer's cost?
My cost, of course.
और आप डब्बा घर से लाते हो या
नहीं, तो हमारे सेट पे एक रूल है, मेरी सारी हीरोइन मेरी देखभाल करती हैं। वो जब भी घर पे खाना होता है उनको पता है कि मैडी वेजिटेरियन है, तो जो खाना उनके लिए आता है वो एक डब्बा एक्स्ट्रा आ जाता है जो मेरे कमरे में वो अपना कैरावान में भेज देती है।
Both of you all missed what I got on set once. So Ashwini sir is from Kanpur and I got
Pan.
No, not pan. I got Banarsi laddu and I called for about 10 kilos for the entire unit.
कहाँ से?
From Kanpur. My sister is married in
Oh,
Kanpur
yeah.
and you get some really nice Banarsi
But I
laddu.
think I had
You
it.
did get
I
it.
had it on the
Yeah.
set. Oh
You
yeah.
had it on the first day.
Not on the first
Not on
day.
the
We were
first day.
breaking the ice. But
लड्डू खा रहे हैं अभी सीन नहीं हो रहे हैं, लड्डू खा रहे हैं.
और रास्ते में अगर मैंने कुछ
Correct.
देख लिया,
ओह अच्छा.
जैसे साउथ में शूट कर रहे हैं, कभी कभी हम लोगों ना अर्ली मॉर्निंग वो आपको ठर्रा बनने से पहले जो नोंगू होता है, इसको जिससे मतलब कोकोनट वाटर जो सैप दैट इज मेड, इट्स वेरी स्वीट, उसमें चूना डाल के उसको ठर्रा बनाते हैं।
But Thurra is from coconut or from tadi?
टॉडी इज मेड आउट ऑफ कोकोनट, और उसको
अच्छा,
क्या
okay.
बोलते हैं यार तमिल में नोंगू, एनीबडी नोज तमिल में उसको कॉल्ड नोंगू, इट्स
I
वेरी
think people will know.
ट्रांसलूसेंट,
That
वेरी
is tadi.
टेस्टी।
हाँ,
That is
that's
tadi.
tadi.
Tam.
It's like malai, हाँ.
It's yeah. It's called
So
tadi.
that,
Yeah.
so you get the sap first, which is very sweet and very good
Yeah,
for
it's
health.
like coconut
उसमें आप
water,
चूना
yeah.
मिला दो तो वो फिर वो अलग ही कहानी बन जाती है। तो वो मैं लेके आता हूँ सेट के लिए। I try to get something that is exotic and from that
Nice.
place, and that is street food.
So last time Ari told me that he has no timing for eating. जब भूख लगती है तब खाते हैं.
हाँ, I heard
जी.
about this
Still
movie yesterday.
Yeah, without a doubt.
I eat every 2 hours. I have a condition, I had acid reflux issues since a very long time, since many years. I have a condition called GERD, G-E-R-D. So because of which I have to eat every 2 hours. But what I've realized is, ever since I started practicing that, the lifestyle has really improved.
So I would do like 3 proper meals earlier, but honestly 2 weeks ago I
came to know something, and I've actually started doing 2.5 hours में little bit of, I mean, it doesn't have to be a major meal,
Correct.
but like
Yeah.
you break your main meals into a
Into
smaller
multiple.
meal.
अच्छा potluck किया है?
हाँ हाँ
बहुत बार.
हाँ हाँ. So घर पे जब मतलब if there are parties, like if I'm organizing something at my house and it is a little bigger than 10-12 लोग तक I can manage. उसके बाद से अगर ज्यादा हो जाता है तो then it's like guys सब
Bring
खाना
your
वाना
own
लेकर आओ.
food,
हाँ, because it's like कितना ही बनाएगा कोई, right? The variety is much more. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके even if people taste a little bit, you have pretty much tasted a lot of dishes. And I think it has this very community feel to it, Potluck में कोई cuisine होता है?
नहीं वैसे
हाँ,
तो नहीं
it's like
होता
जिसको
but
जो आता है
नहीं, हाँ,
types.
वैसे तो correct है
Yeah.
but I've always caught myself presenting my friends a cheese board
I love a
and I
cheese board.
love cutting the cheese and presenting it, like preparing it all myself.
I
Like
love
a cheese
cheese
platter,
boards.
yeah.
Like that could just be my meal.
Yeah,
Like that.
yeah,
That's my
same
meal.
here.
I'm very curious to know आज सब अपने डब्बे में क्या लाए हैं. So shall we begin?
Please,
Yeah,
looking forward to
okay.
that.
Let's
Okay.
get started then.
ग्रेट. मैं पॉटलक में सिर्फ लक लेके आता हूँ, बाकी सब पॉट ले आते हैं.
So not many of you all know that Mari Dadi Gujarati Hata. For today, I have requested my wife to make some homemade thepla, some nice chundo and some undhyo and kada prasad, which is like halwa.
I'm gonna quickly show you what I've got for today. A friend of mine made some saffron jeera rice, and this is some shahi chicken korma.
And
Ta-ta!
whoa, this is something that I cannot touch, but it looks
Oh damn, you're
dramatic.
vegetarian.
Look
This
at that.
is
Oh.
shahi chicken korma, guys.
Yeah, wonderful.
And we've got some.
That's why Kirti would never get.
No,
that
so I've
for
got
you.
some veg
No,
food.
I just forgot. Like
That's
I didn't
okay.
know he's vegetarian.
Yeah, that's
This
okay.
is saffron rice.
I've got veg food.
Try this.
Awesome.
So my dadi used to be a Gujarati.
Okay.
So I've got some Gujarati theplos.
She changed eventually.
No, I mean she continued
Being a Gujarati.
practicing her Gujarati.
Good for you.
But my grandfather wasn't. So she was a Brahmin.
Oh.
And she never ate onions, garlic.
Correct.
No non-veg ever.
But did they
And
have potatoes?
I mean, she had.
But are they allowed to have potatoes?
Not really.
No,
I don't
and
think
nothing
she had
that goes under the
potatoes.
ground.
Yeah.
And my grandfather was a pure, I mean, he was a kayast.
Okay.
So a pure, hardcore red meat eater.
Yeah.
And they fell in love. So that was her biggest sacrifice in life, that she allowed him to eat food at home.
Wow.
But she had a separate kitchen. We, while growing up, we got a lot of our taste buds from her. We acquired a lot of that. I have theplas made. Undhyo
you.
is again a very,
That is my favorite.
you know undhyo?
Yeah, oh, of course I do. Yeah.
And that's chundo. Chunda and thepla. Chunda is a mango
Sweet.
pickle.
Mango pickle.
Sweet-
Yeah, the
sweet
shredded mango pickle. Yeah.
And this, to be very honest, is made by an aunt of mine. So ever since I was a child, she's the only one who makes it every year, and not just in quantity. It's about maybe 8-10 kilos, and I see it.
Bantos to the whole khandan.
No, just for me.
Oh, really?
And it's vanished in no time. I mean, I can have chundo, like how she was talking about her dad having
Chinese and
raita
raita.
and Chinese. I can have chundo with anything,
Anything in the world.
even with pizza.
That has red chilies also in it, right?
It does.
Wow.
Chili flakes, na? Haan, red.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Go for it.
Neil's
Can we start?
tiffin is quite elaborate.
Yeah, thank you
we
for
can
giving
get
me
started.
permission. To
And
start.
of course,
Yeah.
that's made by my wife. This is some kada prasad, as in halwa.
Oh, lovely.
Nice.
So,
Wow.
Hanji.
Full
Nice,
of ghee.
nice loaded homemade.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And this is
Undhyo.
That's
Undhyo, boy.
You can sprinkle some of this homemade peanut masala
Yeah,
on
yeah.
top.
Yeah.
Which will be
I
really
love
good.
Maddie's excitement.
This is home cooked, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I was so ill prepared for this episode. And in a way,
I think
that is
you're
the-
best prepared because you're hungry.
Yeah,
only that,
and we
not
need
only
somebody
that.
who can eat. So guys, I'm very happy कि curly taste पर आकर हिसाब बराबर की कास्ट आके ऐसे meal share कर रही है, which you all didn't get a chance to do on the
true,
set.
On the set, yeah, that is true.
Aren't you all working together for the first time?
Yes, we are.
I'm just happy I don't have to talk. I can just eat.
And the food is so good.
So good.
I mean, I don't know, थेपला और चिकन साथ में कभी किसी ने खाया होगा नहीं.
मैंने बहुत बार खाया है.
It's an amazing
love it.
combination. अच्छा आप सब में से हिसाब कौन रखता है सबसे ज्यादा? Since it is about financials and a lot of our conversation today is going to be about
I have started to.
paisa.
I have started to. I never used to. But post COVID, I think I've taken all the responsibility for what I do and where the money is going and how, what can I do with it.
And if there's a ratio ki earnings में से this much I would spend, this much I would save, do you guys have that calculation?
मैं बहुत खराब हूँ. After the movie, I plan to keep a look at how much money I have, but I never spend the money that I don't have. I
Yeah,
never borrow and spend the money. But within that limitations, I'm quite a bad spender.
Also, it depends. Like आपके हर महीने के खर्चे are can be different. Sometimes, some days you're spending more and whatever. But I do try कि depending on how much are my expenses, anywhere between 10 to 30%, I would want to put it into savings.
Investments is a very important, has been a very important aspect from the very start of my career. Not for any other reason. Upbringing has been, of course, very modest and seen a lot of struggle through the days. But my father has been a very intelligent man when it came to, providing for his family. So, of course, with that middle class upbringing and that thought process, which is imbibed in us also right now, it's all about not me, not my current lifestyle, but for my next gen. So my daughter's just about 6 years old. So for me, all my investment plans, everything is all surrounding her future, her education, her marriage.
She's only 6,
She's
Neil. You can chill.
Yeah, I know. So, but
I told you about middle class attitudes. This is what it is. You don't know his daughter is going to become a billionaire, God forbid, by the time she's 18.
Yeah.
But it's a father's job to make sure कि भाई इतना तो मैं save करके रखूँ अपनी बेटी के लिए.
correct.
Now imagine Neil, somebody gets in the way of that. Somebody dips into that fund.
That's what I'm saying.
तू तो हैवान बन जाएगा.
Yeah, that's what the film is
That's what the
actually.
film-
So while I play Mickey Mehta, who is of course completely opposite to what I'm in
Yeah,
real
you're playing
life.
a negative role, aren't you? Aren't you the banker who's being...
I'm the scammer. I'm the guy who comes in the way of Radhe Mohan, who I truly identify with, and I'm sure not just me, but an entire nation would identify, because somewhere I feel that no matter how influenced we are by the West, deep down we are all very conservative in our thought process and in the way we've been brought up. Yes, of course, we've progressed from day and age of saving from gold to cash to now to plastic money. So unfortunately, a man of his magnitude, of his stardom, also said a very simple word which is actually very effective. कि मैं अपनी औकात में रहता हूँ, मैं अपनी औकात में स्पेंड करता हूँ. कॉन्स्टेंट अपने ख्यालों में मैं खुद भी सोचता हूँ कि भाई अपनी औकात में ही रहना चाहिए. यानी मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे, there was an episode what happened. I was having a birthday party. For me, my grandfather and my father and all always had a certain alcohol brands. For me, they were kings. They lived their life like that. And one of my friends came, and this was after I already became a star and was earning my cross. And he came and I offered him that, and he said के ये क्या यार देसी दारू ठर्रा पिला रहा है. So that kind of affected me. कि what do you mean? I mean, my father drinks this. So my father, I went to him and I said, Dad, I'm sorry, I don't really understand alcohol. My father said one thing very clearly to me. He said, तेरे घर का राजा तू, तेरा 1 bedroom का घर हो या तेरे 2 bedroom का घर हो या 10 bedroom का, you have to live in your means, but king size within your spend capacity or your home. So enjoy life, but also understand your limitations of where you are, how you are. That kind of stayed back with me.
People also say जितनी चादर हो उतने पैर फैलाने चाहिए. But then there's this. I love how focused Maddie is.
यम्मे बहू. आपने ये काम दिया है वो निभाता हूँ मैं.
बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा. और एक दूसरी आइडियोलॉजी ये भी है कि चादर से ज्यादा पैर फैलाओ और जितना ज्यादा स्पेंड करोगे उतना ज्यादा आप अर्न करोगे.
वो ये कह सकते हैं जिनके पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे सेविंग्स हैं.
But that's also the attitude of abundance. The more money is like energy, the more you spend, the more like खुल के करो. I feel पहले वाले में भी ये पॉसिबल है. You can combine both, and as they are both saying कि औकात में रहो, कि ये नहीं कि तुम पैसे बोरो करके खर्च कर रहे हो. जो है जितना है उसमें करो ना जो करना है. I think more than how much you're spending or how much you're saving, it's the attitude you have towards money, which is of either coming from lack or coming from abundance.
जितना आदमी, I'm sorry मैं ये शब्द इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, but I don't like using this word at all, गरीब है, वो उतना ज्यादा खर्चा करता है क्योंकि उसे लगता है कि इट्स इम्पेरेटिव फॉर मी टू हैव एवरीथिंग ही लाइक्स. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द होर्डिंग मेंटालिटी.
पता है विजडम और नॉलेज के बीच में क्या फर्क है?
Knowledge is borrowed, wisdom is
Acquired.
Like it's something new.
When you add your instincts and your conditioning to the knowledge you have, that makes you wise to your lifestyle.
That's a
That
good
is
one.
Madhavan's definition. हर एक कहावत का एक टाइम होता है और एक एप्लीकेशन होता है डिपेंडिंग ऑन आप जिंदगी के किस मोड़ पे. जब आप यंग हो तो आपको होता है कि आप उतने मत फैलाओ भैया, यू हैव टू फैल जाओ. जैसे कहा जाता है कि शादी करोगे या गाड़ी खरीदोगे तो अपने औकात से कम खरीदना. घर खरीदोगे तो अपने औकात से बढ़ कर लेना, क्योंकि घर वो डिप्रिशिएटिंग एसेट होता नहीं है।
करेक्ट है,
और लोग शादी दिखावा के लिए करते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
अपनी वो शायद वो काम करो और वो पैसे अपनी जो यंग कपल है उन्हें दे दो।
बट यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में नहीं होता। यहाँ यहाँ शादियाँ, यहाँ जितनी आपकी आमदनी नहीं, आई मीन जितनी आपकी पूंजी है, 60-70% जो है आप अपने एक शादी में खर्चा कर देते हैं।
कैश, कार्ड, यूपीआई क्या यूज करते हैं?
भाई आई प्रेफर कैश ऑल द टाइम, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट आई नो हाँ मैंने बैंक से इतने निकाले हैं, मेरी जेब में इतने हैं और महीने के एंड तक इतने ही रहने चाहिए।
मेरी बीवी मुझे कार्ड देती है और वो कार्ड से मैं खर्च करता हूँ, और जब लिमिट हो जाता है मुझे बताया जाता है कि भाई खत्म हो गया।
मोस्टली कैशलेस, डिपेंडिंग
Cashless.
अगर मैं कहीं छोटी जगह जा रही हूँ, कहीं ट्रैवल करने जा रही हूँ तो थोड़ा बहुत मैं रखती हूँ।
बट आई गॉट टू टेल यू यार, जो इंडियन में जो कैशलेस सिस्टम है ना, वो दुनिया में सबसे
I
बेस्ट
swear,
है।
man.
वो इतना कन्वीनियंट है।
I totally agree.
पहली बार विदेशों में जाके लगता है कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी कितने पिछवाड़े जगह पे रह रहे हैं, ये बैकवर्ड कंट्री है।
Just the other day I was coming back from Madai Linen and I was hungry. I wanted to buy some bananas and I realized I didn't have my wallet. It was in the other car. And I stopped and he had a UPI
GPay
scanner.
Yeah.
I was so happy, so
Yeah.
excited because
It's
I could
actually
use
very
that and buy a...
progressive.
और आजकल बहुत ज्यादा स्कैम हो रहा है। आई डोंट नो इफ यू ऑल नो, फोन करके आपका
Yeah.
कुरियर कहीं स्टक है, आपका देयर इज डिजिटल अरेस्ट दैट इज हैपनिंग।
या अच्छी बात है कि इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। इससे भी अच्छी बात है कि इंस्टाग्राम में ये सब आ रहा है, तो जब भी कोई स्कैम होता है एटलीस्ट हमें समझ में आता है
Awareness.
कि अवेयरनेस तो बढ़ जाती है कि भाई ऐसा कोई फोन आ रहा है तो पता कर लो कि कहीं ये स्कैम तो नहीं है। अगर अवेयरनेस नहीं होता तो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि हम लोग में से कई लोग स्कैम हो गए होते।
आज भी डर है, ऑनलाइन परचेज मैं नहीं करता, लाइक आई कांट, आई जस्ट डोंट
Really?
यू आर एकदम कैश लेकर, नो ऑनलाइन परचेज।
No, like not that way. Like an online purchase, I'd rather go to the store and buy it if I have to. But I've never, I don't know. It's still not in me.
मैं तो groceries and सब्जी also come online now.
अच्छा चलो अभी डिजर्ट लेते हैं एंड डिजर्ट के साथ हम एक गेम खेलेंगे, नेवर हैव आई एवर। एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू टेक अ स्पून। आई हैव गॉट सम डिजर्ट्स though. I've got some rasmalai which is from our restaurant Imli. We have a whole host of desserts here.
Awesome.
आपके कड़ा प्रसाद को कंपटीशन देता हुआ रसमलाई, गुलाब जामुन,
ये मैं देख रहा हूँ आप बहुत सारे आपने वैरायटी लेके आ गई हैं। My most favorite is like a dark burnt jalebi, कड़क type.
Dude, and the
That's the
one
most
that is slightly sour. See, I know people's taste.
मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी and you have to give me very quick answers. अगर आपने ऐसा किया होगा तो take one bite, okay? Never have I ever spent my entire salary or earnings in one day.
Never.
Never.
गाड़ी ली हो,
Never.
Never.
Never have I ever bought something ridiculously expensive just to impress someone.
Never.
What do I have to eat? मैं खड़ा प्रसाद दे दे यार, that Neil's wife has made. I want to taste it. I've heard.
तो क्या लिया था आपने and किसे इम्प्रेस करना था?
ये ना प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि अगर मुझे कोई चीज समझ में आ जाती ना और मैं विदेश चला जाता हूँ तो कभी कभी चले वो दुकानदार हमको ऐसे देखते कि यार तेरी औकात की तो चीज है नहीं, तू क्यों खरीद रहा है, पहले की बात है ना। तो उसको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए ना
That is
मैं 3 ले लेता हूँ, चल 3 दे दे।
But tell me something, ऐसा होता है बाहर जाके they judge Indians and is that still the case?
Actually, sometimes I think we deserve it also, क्योंकि हम जाते हैं कि ये दिखाओ वो दिखाओ, उनको लगता है कि साड़ी की दुकान में जा रहे हैं 25 चीज खुलवा देते हैं और फिर ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं बाहर। वो भी गलत बात है। पर अगर आपको विंडो शॉपिंग करनी है तो विंडो करो यार शॉपिंग। बट हाँ बिल्कुल हमारे साथ वैसा होता है और उनको लगता है कि we can't afford or you know we and sometimes just like prove things wrong, I'll take 3 of it and then I'll throw it away.
Never have I ever been in a situation where I've had to borrow money from someone.
Have. ये होता रहता है बीच
होता
में,
रहता है,
like there are
अच्छा।
times that's what friends and family are for.
Yeah.
To keep borrowing and giving back when your time is up, and then
Yeah.
when your time is not up, you're like. Happened very recently to me after a long time. I don't hold back while giving it if somebody needs it, and I don't. I'm not ashamed of asking for it when I need it.
Never have I ever given money to somebody and regretted it.
I have.
Me too.
वापस नहीं मिले?
Yeah.
वापस नहीं
I have
मिलने के
to.
बाद भी अच्छा वो ठीक मानता है, बट उस दौरान जो आपको ये महसूस किया जाता है कि आपने गलती की है, that's a very horrible feeling. You've gone out to help somebody and then you become the villain in the process because you asked it and then you have to give a reason to the other person why you need the money back.
So I've had a situation where one of my friends was almost like on a rehab and and almost off alcohol, etc. recovering and going through a massive financial situation. So I lent him some money and I realized that he's gone back to the bottle. That was like a big regret that why did I support him thinking that maybe he wants to come back on his feet.
1 करोड़ अगर आप लोग के पास हो and you have to spend it on one thing only, okay? तो किस पर spend करोगे आप?
I would spend it on making a film.
I spend it on buying some gold.
I would find an exciting startup and invest it in.
50,000 अगर है आपके पास, what would you rather spend it on an experience, material possession, like a gadget, or an experience like travel, go somewhere?
Travel.
50,000 में travel कुछ होगा नहीं तो वो 50,000 में आज मोबाइल भी नहीं आता. But I am a gadget freak, so if I get a good gadget within 50,000, I'd love to.
I'll agree with Neil completely here. If there's a gadget that I can get,
Yeah.
that's a new technology, I will spend it on without a thought.
Okay, you have a budget of 1 lakh rupees in a month. How would you divide it between personal expenses, family, or a cause you care about?
The cost would be about maybe 5%. 5 or 10%. Family would be 50%, and I think 40% towards running the home.
Family and running the home, about 70%. 10 to 15% on me, 5% on a cause, and the rest on the saving.
Okay, what's the most expensive thing you all have bought till date?
Oh, I already answered that. It became a big controversy.
What is that?
I bought a yacht. The news came out like I'm owning a 75-foot luxury yacht in the middle of the Caribbean.
But
It
what
wasn't
fun,
that. It
yeah.
was a small boat, and
How nice!
yeah, that is my biggest indulgence, and so I enjoyed that a lot. I am not at all ashamed about
That
it.
is so cool.
कहाँ पे parked है ये?
It's in Dubai.
In
It's in
Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can do all that there. only, no?
Next potluck happening in his
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
उसके बाद जो तस्वीरें निकली हैं मेरे यॉट के और मेरे घर के, मेरी माँ ने कहा तो इतना अमीर हो गया अब से.
I'm building my house right now, so that could
Right.
probably a little outskirts of Bombay, a place called Bara, which would be probably the most expensive thing. Before that, I think my car, like I have a Kodiak, so I spent
A lot.
45 on that.
And have you always been very financially independent, Kirti, or taking your own decisions या किसी से advice लेते हो?
Not so much since I started working, like which is 2007. But I would actually not keep the money with me. Everything I used to earn, I used to give it to my dad. And honestly, till COVID, I was never like, I didn't even know मेरे कहाँ पे investments हैं, कहाँ पे mutual funds में क्या है, क्या PFs वगैरह कुछ नहीं पता था मुझे. I'm just like, I was really not interested, and then I never so I have never been like that. But since COVID, I think it just turned around, and I take responsibility for it going the right way and then it not going the right way either. So I'm good.
For me, I have a fetish maybe for real estate. I like investing in real estate.
So I have always liked to keep my life uncomplicated. Investments again or in real estate, things that don't need to be looked at day to day, and you just use it when you need it. But I've understood over a period of time with good and bad experiences that I started from a lower middle class family, right? The approach of a lower middle class family and your friends and well-wishers towards the kind of money you earn is very different from what you have become over a period of time. So I've become a high net worth individual. So you need to take advice from people who know how to live or are living with high net worth people and their investments.
Yeah.
Sometimes having the wrong approach because the way of thinking is very middle class can end up becoming a big adverse effect on somebody who suddenly come upon money and doesn't know how to, and you're thinking in a middle class way of either saving or keeping it. And then you end up getting into a trap. So you have to be very careful who you take the advice from. वो अपनी बरादरी के हो. अगर आप ऊपर वाले की दुआ से अगर आपके पास बहुत सारा धन आ जाए तो उनसे एडवाइस लें who are capable of or have been handling that kind of money.
I agree on that.
And also like financial consultants, like I started consulting 4 years ago. While I do some things on my side, I mean, like there is somebody also who handles a part of it and also advises me on, because मुझे इन चीजों के बारे में पता नहीं है, so I'm just becoming more and more, I'm just learning more and more,
Well, it's been amazing talking so much about money and hisab today on the show. कब release हो रही है movie? Please tell our audiences as well.
24th Jan, which is this Friday on Z5.
और हमें कहा गया है कि ये कहने के लिए आपसे कि 24 जनवरी से कई सालों तक ये Z5 पे होगी और आप देख सकते हैं. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप 24 जनवरी को देखें या फिर 26 जनवरी को, ताकि पूरी फैमिली के साथ आप इस फिल्म को एंजॉय कर पाएं.
And before we let you go, आप सबको मुझे अपनी अपनी एक फेवरेट डिश बतानी है या कोई रेसिपी बतानी है. आपको एक कोलकाता रोल बता रहे थे which is one of your favorites.
हाँ जी.
There's a recipe of that our audiences can replicate at home.
तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द कोलकाता एग रोल. और इस एग रोल के लिए बहुत ही कम इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए. आपको चाहिए प्याज जो लंबे लंबे आप
पतले पतले कटे हैं, जिसको आप मैरिनेट कीजिए नींबू डालकर और थोड़ा सा नमक और चाट मसाला साइड में रखिएगा और थोड़ा सा टमेटो केचप। फिर आप पराठा बनाइए और उसके ऊपर ही आप अंडा तोड़ के वो एग रोल अंडा और पराठा के साथ जोड़ दीजिए। मतलब अलग अलग नहीं है कि आपने पराठा बनाया फिर ऑमलेट बना के डाल दिया, साथ ही पकते हैं। और फिर उस पर माफ कीजिएगा मेरे मुंह से पानी आ रहा है। फिर उसके बीच में ये प्याज और कटे हुए प्याज और नमक और नींबू और वो हरी मिर्ची जो बारीक से आपने काटी थी वो सब डाल दें जो मैरिनेट हो चुका है। उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा टमाटो केचप, फिर उसको रोल कीजिए, उसको एक टिश्यू में डाल के आधा टिश्यू तक उसको कवर कीजिए और फिर एक बाइट लीजिए।
I think I would talk about oats ka chila.
My God.
I absolutely love them and they're usually my breakfast a lot of times. So oats with 1-1.5 घंटे पहले before you're about to make it, आप oats लीजिए, उसमें थोड़ा सूजी डालिए and curd, and then of course when you're about to make it, उसे आप पीस लीजिए मिक्सी में और उसमें आप प्याज, I put प्याज, धनिया and हरी मिर्ची. And a little bit of salt, and then you just make chilas out of it.
I think the sunny side up is the safest. just 2 oats toast, with a nice sunny side up, does the day just completely justice to the day. Just break the egg if you want to know how it's made.
Oh really? You can't do it without breaking?
No, I mean I tried that, but it didn't.
That'll be a different kind of an egg.
Thank you so much, guys. I
Thank
wish you all the best. I'm sure the trailer looks amazing, and I'm sure the film will also be amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you and
आपके
for the
मुंह में
delicious
गुलाब
dessert.
जामुन
हाँ, या फिर रसमलाई।